Hold on a sec. Achoo! Thanks for the sneeze. Thank you for not hitting me the mute this time. Don't thank me. Sneezes are just embarrassing. Are you all perverts or something? Who feel happy about hearing something like that? Jeez. That guy donating 1,000. Yeah, thanks for the sneeze. You too. Don't throw super chats. That's people just sipping over VTubers and things like that. You know, like it is what it is. People will do whatever they can just to hear the streamer embarrass themselves in some way, and they'll eat that stuff up. Anything they can do to make fun of a streamer, man. And then they'll clip it, and it's just like, Noble Chan sneezes, 1 million views.